Hi everyone, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Are you ready to run a sale that boosts your business without sacrificing your profits? The Chinese New Year sale is here, bringing big savings and opportunities for growth. Traditional percentage discounts can cut too deep, leading to significant profit loss on larger orders. The solution? Set a cap discount and Shopify. For example, offer 35% off up to a maximum of $250. So if you want to learn how to implement a cap discount in Shopify, watch this video completely. So before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips because more seasonal tips are on the way. For setting up a cap discount on Shopify, I'm using Next Discount app which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on create new discount. Now you can choose the discount code as your discount type and add any discount code. Let's add a 35% off here now. And I'm planning to give a 35% discount with a cap amount of 250. Now you can also set this discount applied for all the products or a specific products or a specific collection. So what happens now is this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond the 250. So even though the 35% of all the cart value is higher than 250, this cap amount ensures that the maximum discount the customer will be getting will be limited to 250 only. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it for here. Now I'm adding no minimum purchase requirement. For in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or a customer having some tag or only on first order customer like that. I'm adding for all the customers. You can also limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. If I'm saying 100 here means this amount, this discount amount or the discount code will be available only for the first 100 users. You can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. And you can set some active dates here like start date time or end date time through which if you are planning to run this offer through the month of the Chinese New Year sale or 10 days or 1 week, then those timings you can set it over active date section from here. And you can also club this discount code with the existing discount codes like the product discount or a shipping discounts. So after adding all this, I'm saving the changes. Now let's check whether our code has been activated. Now you can see that the 35% off has been activated successfully from the discount section. Now let's test our setup in the store. So I'm trying to buy a product of 599. I'm trying to add it to the cart. Applying the code. Now you can see that the 35% of the cart value has been applied successfully and the customer will be getting complete 35% of the cart value because it's not limiting the 250 as the discount amount. Hence this customer will be getting a complete 35% of the cart value. Let's just check with some other products having a higher price. Now I'm adding product of worth 5,000 to the cart. Let's apply our code here. Now you can see that the 35% of our cart value, which is 5,000, is greater than 250. But since we have capped our discount amount at 250, thus capping amount makes sure that the discount amount will never go beyond the 250. Even though the cart value is higher, this will make sure that this maximum discount will be limited to 250. So that's how you set a cap discount of 35% off with the cap amount of $250 in for your Chinese New Year sale. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also do comment, like, and share. Thanks for watching.